So you're driving down the road and your truck's wandering and darting from side to side, then you may have a problem with your steering column bushing, because these things can wear out over time. As you can see, I have quite a bit of play in mine, so the bushing repair kit from EMF should solve our problem. Alright, we got our repair kit from EMF. As you can see, it's pretty much just two shims that we're going to drive in each side of the steering column. It also comes with instructions in case you need them. One end is tapered. As you can see here, it's thinner on the tapered side and thicker on the non-tapered side. We have two options here. We can either use red thread locker, or we can use a hose clamp to secure these shims in. I'm going to use a hose clamp in case I ever have to remove the shims in the future. Start out by installing the tapered end of the shim into the bushing pin. Using a hammer, drive it all the way in. Tapered end facing the steering shaft, insert the other one. Hammer it home. Alright, we're going to put us a hose clamp on here for extra security, making sure they don't fall out as we go down the road. Tighten her down. Go for a test drive and see how she rides. Well, guys, thanks for watching. That's it for me today.